Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on discounts worksheets. So this video presents a few worksheets where we can practice finding the discount, and also after we found the discount we can work out the selling price. Now if you're not sure what to do here, or you are a little bit confused by the terms, we have had a lesson on this topic. On the last slide there is a link that will take us to the lesson. Just click on the link and that will explain how to do each and every one of these examples. So let's quickly have a look at, say, the first one. Here we have a dress and there's a sale on. Now there could be many reasons why there's a sale on. If you look at this dress, it looks like a summer dress, doesn't it? And basically, if it's the end of summer, then the stores want to get rid of all their excess stock. They don't want summer dresses anymore because autumn and winter are coming along, so they want warmer clothes. So in order to get rid of, say, this summer dress, they give you a discount, so 25% off. So basically what the lesson said is that you work out the discount, which is 25% of this amount. So once you work out what that amount is, that is the discount, and then you subtract it from $140 and that will give you the selling price. So it's exactly the same with each and every one of these examples. You need to find the percentage of the marked price in each case. That gives you the discount, and then take the marked price, subtract the discount, and that will give you the selling price. Let's have a look at the next slide. Here you can see it's very, very similar indeed. Okay, in each case. And the stores have different reasons for offering discounts. There are a host of different reasons. It could be because of a change of season. The store could be closing down. That's another possibility. They're going out of business, so they want to get rid of their stock. The other possibility is that the stock has been there for so long that nobody's buying it, so they just want to clear it. So they sell it off cheaply. So in each and every case, it's quite the same. Work out the discount, and then the marked price minus the discount gives you the selling price. Don't forget, if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide there is a link and it will take you to the lesson which explains how to do each and every one of these examples. So this video has presented a few worksheets where we've had practice in working out the discount, and once we found the discount we can calculate the final selling price.